so I'm going to school. Yeah, I look better and everything. I love that, but yeah, maybe on a taxi card, it just a turn. It's now 6:30. Don't ask me why I leave out this time. But yeah, I said I can reach in time, so don't worry about that. But guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and watch the ads then, because you, someone will not watch them, and someone will not like the video, and on the know some will fight. You see me? So I'm going to see what's going on at school today. When I really do nothing about. We're going to see what's going on. My forehead though, my forehead. Cha-cha. I'm put on my mask now because I'm going to taxi and ting so. Never no mask.
Why not, you know?
You are in the too.
Put on my mask there. Jesus. So guys, we're teaching there. See the class empty for us come. No, I can't tell him I'm come to school for, but say hi to the vlog. Guys, we just stay at talk. You see me? We're going to talking. Can you believe someone never can to come to school? I'm like, I'm cut up. I'm not going to change. I'm not going to change more money. But please, I'm going to look for Tano. I'm supposed to reach at school by now. Say hi.
Hi.
What they must do?
Huh?
What they must do?
Like, follow, subscribe.
To follow for
And
me.
share.
So guys, I'm going to have a friend class. Them look biology. I'm going to them teacher reach. Guys, say hi to the vlog. It's the sun for me. The light. Take it over.
Video?
So, hey guys, this is All Natural Candies, and we're back with another video.
And this there.
So, look at the light.
This is Big Bottom, Kim. Right.
If you say that on YouTube for me.
Anyways, guys, just watch the vlog and you know the vlog.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and go on watch the ads, like the ads, comment on the ads.
What done, brother?
But go on within the self, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend.
Right, this.
Right, this so go on within the self. All natural candies, the thing is at and will be. Want to know? Period.
Peace. Abby. Nice, clean Abby. The teacher in there. Remember Stacy over here?
Hello guys, what's good? Oh, your vlog? Yeah, I mean, like your vlog.
Yeah.
Well, hey guys, what's good? Well, I'm going to head to bio class, so bye.
Tanoya? I don't know where she is, guys, literally. I know if I should there. Kelly, me, say me have something to tell you. Me hear my... Oh, me. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Candy's YouTube channel. Go follow me on Instagram, y'all. Yeah, it's only Kelly. No, it's only Kelly P. Right.
Alright, so I'm going to come back.
Students answer, even attempt question. If you get it correct, you get 3 marks.
correct, yes.
So
First
correct
class today, I
is
registered
3
over
marks.
and Talk.
Full marks at 30 marks. If it is
The high.
incorrect, it's 0.
Can't you
And
teach
if
them,
it
but
is
listen.
Unanswered, it's 1.
Right.
Right.
No, miss. That teacher didn't understand. Yes, I am better to say. You know, exactly.
It's a debate for me.
Me want my 1 mark. That teacher didn't try.
Well, if I know something I can't do it, I not do it.
Exactly.
Forget one.
That means that he doesn't
Exactly.
Anyway, it's motivation.
Finally, I go for lunch. I don't know what I'm going to get to eat. What we are
I
going
look so hungry.
What we are
I
going
look so hungry.
Take your time, you're so like
Guys, this is the artist. Go and check out her album at Serena singing soon. I'll left a link in the description.
Come, Candice.
What are we going to buy?
We need to hurry up.
You're blind.
Flying.
My black account for me YouTube channel. Girl.
Candice, you have to tell me where you use your style and your pattern.
I'm not
Understand food.
Make the cockroach go in our vlog.
We just use I'm just say because I like the subject I feel like it applies to daily life, so yeah.
true.
What else?
I'm a plus with the HSB, so it's not that hard, guys. Pray for me.
Every day.
Right, I'm cook every day too.
Come here.
Me either.
Don't say that in my vlog, please. We're not
I don't
going
cook at my
there.
house, okay?
We're not going there.
I have my mommy to do those things.
We have mother too.
Right?
So when I try some, I have mother.
We can't
I have my nice skin, good up, nice skin,
Yes,
brown
yes,
skin.
right.
Brown skin, nothing. You have brown skin.
Dark skin.
Melanin,
Poker
what girl?
body.
Shape good, shape nice.
Yeah.
But this is ghetto.
Right?
Yeah. Nobody know over there, so come to there. Come like they don't realize the bell ring or nobody don't come to school. Well, nobody don't really come to school, but
Who the girl?
Abigail.
Abby! Our fries, our rice.
yes, so we are going to buy lunch. Jeez, I'm afraid just mighty Jesus. I'm
You
afraid.
tell us yesterday, the first thing we say you're afraid.
My ear share going. How are yourself? Pretty people alone are afraid. I look for your phone.
Shut up.
Guys, just take a
Shut
look.
up.
Look, no, look. Guys, let me phone us soon. A reflection. Move your We are buying lunch. You must eat out my little lunch there. Want to say hi to the vlog?
No.
Guys, you see this girl? She's a troublemaker. Girl, that's a troublemaker. That's a troublemaker. Me and she are buried. Anyways, later. Yeah.
Yeah, your friend from
No leg, no wing. Guys, she love me, you know. I'm nice. Let me share the rest. The food.
You know,
I have a short friend. I mean, like, she's like
you have a short
4'2".
friend, you have a tall
Serious?
friend. She's not 4'2".
Oh my, shout much.
She's taller than 4'2".
No girl, she's like 3'5".
You is wicked. She's not 3, not 3. Call Nikela. You know Nikela is right?
Nikela, how much? 5 something?
4'11".
4?
Nikela is not 4'11". You're 4'11".
I say yesterday when boys see me tell me I'm short, I feel shame. Because I know I'm big and tall. What am I still a wait for the food and so one of my friends them here. The spikes in it, the spikes.
Smart chicken, you want?
Just buy take from breast and something. Wing. You don't like wing, but you can take that. So we are telling them today, just come on and say, I ain't gonna give them like an entrance.
Share, subscribe.
Right.
Turn on our camera.
Earlier, she never yet want to come to the building. She put on her mask and a bag of things. I see them two of them nice and clean. So she... No, girl.
Bike.
I want to take your
Can I get one lip? Let's see what them give me. I'm for buy it and I'm not get it when I drink. But don't drink that.
Mellow.
I don't drink them there. You ever see me drink them there?
Cran water.
I don't drink cran water. I drink ocean swim. I drink Gatorade and water.
So why me cannot go buy the Gatorade?
Why you shut up on me? You see them have Gatorade in
Them
there?
have Gatorade.
I don't see any Gatorade in there.
Alright,
I want to buy it for me. Gatorade is expensive. $200.
I know me tell something like Gatorade.
I'm sorry, I'm
You know, so
expensive.
Gatorade do good. You want something.
Gatorade
But
is
the
good.
man, he
Or
must say
at
the
least.
ingredients don't good.
Well, me I go look on the container next time. I'm gonna say, guys! Ooh, ooh.
You got her hiding from the camera.
Eh, warm. You never cream?
She naturally so look how long.
When you there?
I think I'm angry. Oh no, not angry.
Yo, this not posting now? No, me even post. Why you keep on that? I'm gonna post it.
Every time Serena see me, show me every now. Alright, that.
Serena crazy and she short. That make it worse. And you can't eat up food. Me say, girl, look how she's small. And she can't eat up food, brother. She eat little toopsy toops. Can
And
you
do
believe
that
that?
with them me I eat. I know me eat already.
Oh, you eat?
But
I don't know how she eat, guys.
You know what else, Mr. D?
Wait, wanna feel like this is, wanna feel like it's a Spanish? No, I don't know Spanish. No comprende. Hasta no comprende. See, you know, look at something, no Spanish, you're mad. I'm need to do a foreign language. Look here, guys, look there. Oh my, this girl is doing work, answering multiple choice. Constructive. Africa, yo. What? And 3 different leaf paper use. This I go on YouTube.
I can't save it.
Mama see it. Mama see Tanaya. She fool. 3 different leaf.
Oh God, oh. You see how I get this thing from my leg? It's stop no, everybody gets a sting. A candy alone. Let's forget this thing. Hey, sir, be just sting me here.
Tanaya, tell them how you feeling. What's up, guys? Guys, you don't want to be my friend. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, y'all. You could have kissed me one time.
No, sir.
Make sure you put it in here another.
Wow, when the Wasp thing on?
Yeah, the
Of
video.
course. And that's how I got started. So guys, I got a battery. You see me? And a bag
Not
of
gonna happen.
things.
Yeah, take us out there.
I don't care. I'm alone, man. You see me? So guys,
Guys,
we,
just after she laugh for me, I'm a dirty light boss. I should have brushed it off.
she's a good friend. But I fall off like what's thing here? Una gala. All them people are flow. Man, go back flow then.
Yes, see the best.
Oh yeah. I want that cable. Cable and wireless connect that mistake.
What?
What's another? So we're going to Earth Element. We're going to get a mask. And then I don't know, maybe find something to eat. I kind of want a water. Shall we wait? Oh, sorry. Post up, boomy. So we're leaving. Ooh. Talk about the mask, yeah?